Hello everyone. Today we have an exciting tutorial on how to create incredible images using AI. So let's get started. First things first, go to your browser and type ideogram.ai and hit enter. Once you're on the website, look for the first link that appears and click on it to access the platform. Once you're on the platform, you will need to sign in. Use your Google account for seamless experience. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions to proceed. After signing in, you will need to set up your profile, so enter your name. After that, you will see a description box where you can write your description of how you envision your image. Now it's time to get creative. Click on generate button after entering your prompt. Wait patiently as the AI works its magic. It will generate 4 unique images based on your input. Once the AI has done its job, you will be presented with 4 different images. Take a moment to evaluate each one and choose the one that closely resembles your imagination. After selecting an image, click to open it. Here you will have two options. If you want to make some adjustments, you can click on edit and provide a new prompt. Once you are satisfied, click on download to save your masterpiece. And there you have it. Creating stunning images with AI is as easy as that. Whether you are a graphic designer or just looking to add creative touch to your projects, ideogram.ai makes the process effortless. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.